Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract opportunities effortlessly while others struggle despite working hard? The secret isn't luck, it's value. In today's world, the marketplace doesn't just reward effort. It rewards those who bring something truly valuable to the table. Imagine if you could become the person everyone wants on their team, the one who solves problems, delivers results, and keeps growing. Stay with me till the end, and I'll break down 5 powerful ways to become more valuable than ever before and why it will completely change your life. 1. Increase skills. Becoming more valuable begins with a deliberate and ongoing commitment to expanding your skill set, because in a world that evolves at a rapid pace, stagnation is equivalent to falling behind. To increase your skills, you must cultivate a mindset of curiosity and continuous learning, approaching every day as an opportunity to acquire new knowledge, refine existing strengths, and adapt to new demands in your personal or professional environment. Start by identifying the specific competencies that are most relevant to your goals, whether technical abilities, creative proficiencies, communication strategies, leadership capabilities, or specialized knowledge within a particular field, and then map out a plan for how you will develop them. This might include taking courses, reading extensively, practicing consistently, seeking mentorship, or experimenting with new tools that enhance your versatility. As you broaden your abilities, you also deepen your understanding of how different areas of expertise connect, allowing you to create more innovative solutions and adapt fluidly to challenges that would overwhelm someone with a narrower focus. The more skills you acquire, the more flexible and resilient you become in an unpredictable world, and the more options you have when opportunities appear. Beyond personal growth, expanding your skill set signals to others, employers, collaborators, clients, or communities that you are committed to excellence and equipped to handle complex responsibilities. It positions you not only as someone who completes tasks, but as someone who elevates the environment around them through competence, initiative, and the willingness to learn what others avoid. By continually sharpening your talents and seeking out new areas of mastery, you transform yourself into a person capable of offering a wide range of solutions, and that makes you far more valuable in any context. In essence, increasing your skills is not a one-time event, but a lifelong journey that compounds over time, building both confidence and capability until you become someone whose contributions are recognized, appreciated, and increasingly indispensable. 2. Improve performance. Possessing great skills means little if those skills are not applied with excellence, consistency, and impact, which is why improving performance is the second essential step in becoming more valuable. Performance is where preparation meets execution, where your abilities translate into real-world results that others can see, measure, and remember. To improve your performance, begin by analyzing how effectively you currently use your skills. Are you producing work that is clear, reliable, thoughtful, and timely? Do you meet expectations or exceed them? Do you work with focus or get distracted? Do you seek feedback and refine your approach over time? Once you identify your strengths and weaknesses, you can intentionally redesign your habits, systems, and workflows to maximize productivity and quality. Improving performance also requires embracing discipline, showing up consistently, honoring deadlines, maintaining attention to detail, and holding yourself to a high standard even when no one is watching. It means cultivating resilience, staying calm under pressure, and developing the ability to deliver excellent work regardless of circumstances. When you perform well repeatedly, people begin to trust your output, rely on your contributions, and associate your name with high-caliber results. That reputation is a powerful form of value in any environment. Additionally, performance improves dramatically when you focus on outcomes rather than activity. Many people stay busy without making meaningful progress, but those who concentrate on tangible results rise above the crowd. Ask yourself what impact you want your work to have, how it will contribute to larger goals, and how you can optimize your approach to get there efficiently. When your performance begins to create measurable positive change, whether through increased revenue, smoother operations, stronger relationships, higher customer satisfaction, or more innovative solutions, you naturally stand out. Skills may open the door, but performance determines how far you go, because people gravitate toward those who consistently deliver value. By improving your performance, you transform your potential into undeniable achievement, making yourself an asset in any field or situation. 3. Be reliable. Reliability is one of the most underrated yet powerful qualities a person can develop, because while talent may impress people temporarily, reliability earns long-term trust, respect, and opportunity. To be reliable means to follow through on your commitments, to show up when you say you will, and to deliver what you promise with consistency and integrity. In a world where many overcommit, underdeliver, or abandon responsibilities when they become inconvenient, reliability becomes a rare and highly prized trait that immediately sets you apart. Being reliable begins with honesty. Being clear about what you can realistically do, setting boundaries when necessary, and communicating effectively if circumstances change. It requires developing strong habits of organization, time management, and prioritization so that you meet deadlines and maintain control over your responsibilities rather than being controlled by them. Reliability also requires emotional steadiness, the ability to remain dependable even under stress, uncertainty, or pressure. When you consistently demonstrate reliability, people begin to view you as someone they can count on, someone who brings stability rather than chaos, someone whose presence reduces anxiety instead of increasing it. This reputation becomes a powerful form of currency. Employers promote reliable people. Businesses prefer partnering with reliable collaborators. Clients remain loyal to reliable service providers, and personal relationships deepen when built on the foundation of trust. Furthermore, reliability multiplies your value because it enhances every other quality you possess. Your skills, performance, creativity, and intelligence all become more meaningful when others know they can depend on you to apply them consistently. As your reputation for reliability grows, so do the opportunities that come your way, because people naturally gravitate toward those who make their lives easier rather than harder. Ultimately, becoming reliable is not glamorous, but it is transformative. It elevates your character, strengthens your relationships, and makes you an indispensable presence in any environment, organization, or community. Reliability, more than almost anything else, builds the kind of value that lasts. 4. Solve problems. To rise above the crowd and become genuinely indispensable, a person must shift their focus from merely performing assigned tasks to proactively identifying and solving meaningful problems. Tasks are generic, problems are specific. Anyone can follow instructions, but not everyone can see the underlying dysfunction, inefficiency, or unmet need that others overlook. A problem solver is someone who pays attention, not just to what is happening, but to what should be happening, and then bridges the gap. They do not wait to be asked, nor do they restrict their thinking to their job description. Instead, they scan the environment with curiosity and ownership, treating every obstacle as an opportunity to add value. Becoming this kind of person requires developing a mindset that is both analytical and courageous. Analytical, because you must learn to observe patterns, identify causes instead of symptoms, and diagnose issues with clarity. Courageous, because solving real problems often requires stepping into discomfort, challenging assumptions, and taking initiative even when it isn't required. The reward, however, is immense. Problem solvers become the people others depend on. They become irreplaceable because their value does not lie in routine output, but in transformative impact. Whether in a workplace, community, or personal relationship, people gravitate toward those who make life easier, smoother, and more effective. Leaders trust them, peers respect them, and opportunities come to them naturally. To cultivate this skill, begin by asking better questions. What bottlenecks are slowing the process? What frustrations do people repeatedly mention? What resources are missing? What misunderstanding is causing unnecessary conflict? The moment you start thinking this way, you place yourself in the top tier of value creators. But solving problems is not only about intelligence, it also requires emotional maturity. You must resist the temptation to complain, blame, or avoid responsibility. Instead of saying, "It's not my job," a problem solver says, "How can I help improve this?" Instead of noticing a flaw and shrugging, they take ownership and begin crafting solutions, big or small. Even offering a thoughtful suggestion or creating a simple workaround can position you as a proactive thinker. Over time, as you solve more problems, you expand your competence, confidence, and credibility. People begin turning to you instinctively when an issue arises. In many cases, problem solvers rise faster in their careers than people with more experience or credentials simply because leaders value reliability over resume. Problems never stop appearing. Markets change, systems break, people disagree, and uncertainty is constant. So those who can consistently turn chaos into clarity will always be in demand. To truly master this skill, embrace the mindset that every problem is a teacher. Each challenge sharpens your adaptability, strengthens your creativity, and deepens your resilience. The more complex the problems you can solve, the more valuable you become. Ultimately, problem solvers are the architects of progress, the silent engines behind every success, and the individuals others rely on in times of confusion or crisis. Becoming one is not only a strategy for professional success, but a philosophy for living with purpose and impact. 5. Constant personal upgrade. One of the most powerful commitments a person can make is the lifelong decision to continually upgrade themselves, to read more, learn more, reflect more, and grow more, regardless of age or circumstance. Life is dynamic, the world is unpredictable, and every industry, skill, and system evolves over time. Those who remain stagnant eventually become outdated, but those who consistently invest in themselves stay relevant, adaptable, and ahead of the curve. Constant self-upgrade is not merely about acquiring new skills, it is about cultivating a deeply rooted identity of growth. It is the recognition that your mind is your greatest asset, and that every improvement you make compounds over the years. The books you read today sharpen the decisions you make tomorrow. The discipline you build now strengthens your ability to seize future opportunities. The reflection you practice helps you avoid past mistakes and navigate life with increasing clarity. Upgrading yourself requires humility. The humility to admit what you do not know, to confront your weaknesses, and to challenge the beliefs that limit you. It also demands curiosity, the willingness to explore new ideas, environments, and perspectives that expand your understanding of the world. Many people wait for life to force them to grow. Those who upgrade themselves choose to grow before life demands it. This proactive mindset is what separates the exceptional from the average. Personal upgrade also requires consistency. Reading one book will not transform your life, but reading consistently for months and years absolutely will. Exercising once does nothing, but training your body regularly reshapes your health and self-image. The same applies to developing emotional intelligence, communication, financial literacy, creativity, or any other skill. Growth is not a single event, it is a daily practice. By committing to that practice, you become increasingly capable of handling change, uncertainty, and opportunity. The more you grow, the more you can contribute. The more you learn, the more valuable you become to yourself and to others. And this upward spiral of growth creates a kind of inner momentum. The more progress you see, the more motivated you feel to continue. But personal upgrade also requires pruning, letting go of habits, beliefs, or environments that restrict your potential. It may mean stepping away from distractions, negative influences, or unproductive routines. It may mean setting new boundaries or adopting new standards for how you use your time. Self-investment is not always comfortable, but it is always worth it. With every upgrade, you become more adaptable, more resilient, and more capable of thriving in any environment. In a world where change is constant, the ability to grow faster than your surroundings is a superpower. It ensures that no matter what happens, economic shifts, technological disruptions, personal challenges, you remain equipped, empowered, and ready to rise. Ultimately, the commitment to ongoing personal upgrade is a declaration that you refuse to let circumstances define you, that you choose evolution over stagnation, and that you are dedicated to becoming the most capable, insightful, disciplined, and expansive version of yourself. This commitment transforms not only your achievements, but your identity. You stop seeing growth as an obligation and start seeing it as a privilege. You recognize that investing in yourself is the most certain and meaningful investment you can make because you carry its returns with you for the rest of your life. Don't wish for more money. Become more valuable. The more value you create, the more doors open, opportunities appear, and rewards follow. Focus on value, and success will naturally follow.